doesn't know it, but I'm watching him mow the grass. I just had to throw that in there. I'm sitting in my swing on my back patio, watching the kids across the fence play football and play on the swings and stuff. It's a nice evening out. Jim got the grass all mowed up. Yeah, it's looking pretty good out here. I think I should rake a little. Maybe not. Jim seems to think that when the grass goes to seed, it makes it all better. Aren't they cute? They're all so cute in their little blue outfits. I just get the biggest kick out of watching them. Yes, I've got my walking shoes on, and I'm walking back from the post office, and I'm sending somebody in Australia a card. How about that? And that's my car. Yeah, I'm out for a walk. Gonna walk around the neighborhood for a while. You know, it got up to almost 100 degrees today, but since the sun's went down, it's only about 88. So I'm gonna get out and go for a nice little walk around my neighborhood. This is one of the little ponds in my neighborhood. I walked down here in hopes of seeing some ducks, and just now, when I didn't have my camera on, there was a whole family of them walking across the street, and a car just about ran over them. We need a duck crossing around here. Oh yeah. Like the wildlife? Yeah, the people that take care of my subdivision, they do a mighty fine job. As all the cars go by, and I walk down here to show you some of the pretty flowers. Don't you just love walking around in nature? Oh, see how pretty. Makes you want to pick some and take them home. Sorry about all the cars, guys. Busy intersection down through this way. Maybe I'll run into some more ducks here in a little while. This is one of the pool areas. We have 3 different ones here in my complex. I'd take you in, only I forgot to bring my key. But aren't they having fun? Oh yeah, no motorized vehicles allowed. Good thing I don't have one to walk down this path in. Let's take this little rugged path. Me and Jimmy, we've been back here before. There's even little benches along the way to sit down on. Hear the critters? It's getting to be that time of day. You know, my new shoes, they're Nikes, and they're the lightest, best pair of walking shoes I think I have ever owned. I wished back in my working days I had a pair like this. Oh, maybe I'll catch me some birds or something here pretty soon. Aren't the sounds of nature just really cool. I just like the idea of getting all this on tape. Butterfly. This is another little lake. No swimming, no boating, no ice skating. Catch and release fish only. Clean up before leaving. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. I think I hear it thundering. Oh gosh. I may have to call Jimmy to come and get me. Oh shoot. What do you think, guys? They're eating my crackers. I'm feeding the ducks. Yes, I am. That's my plastic bag rattling. Trying to throw some more crackers. Hope I don't run them off. Here, ducky, ducky. Aw, don't leave. I wanted to feed you. There you go. You can have some of my crackers. Yes, you can. He didn't want no more. Guess he got full. Well, Jimmy just called. He's getting worried about me. Thinks I'm gonna get rained on. So I reckon I better head back. Let's see if he wants some of my crackers. I don't know. He seems to like the idea of just swimming around and quacking. I like it when I see whole families of them. Maybe I'll catch me one on the way back. Can y'all hear it thundering? Yeah, that's why Jimmy called. Quack, quack. Isn't that a pretty wreath? I just had to get a little glimpse of it while I was walking by. And it's thundering some more. Oh, gosh. Hey, everybody, meet Murphy. I just met Murphy while I was walking around. Well, guys, I decided to take shelter here by the pool because it keeps thundering. And I'm waiting on Jimmy to come and get me. So we're gonna look at the sky for a few minutes while all these nice people leave the pool gate. And I stand here waiting for Jimmy. And somebody said it's raining over that way. Oh, that was the gate closing. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you again later. Oops, there was some lightning and I missed it. Oh shoot. Maybe the camera got it and I didn't know it.
Please get me ice cream.
Here goes the gate again with everybody leaving. Figures on a day when I wanted to go for a walk.
Here we go.
Yes. Okie dokie. Okay. Let's catch some lightning before Jimmy gets here because here he comes. Right there. In the white car. He's driving my car. Yes, he is. He's driving my car. And he's coming to save me. Yes. See y'all later. Maybe. I'll say some more later. Well, I made it home, everybody. And here he comes. Wasn't expecting this. But I guess it just got humid enough to make her happen. Here he comes. Okay. I know you think I'm nuts filming storms and stuff. Yeah, maybe it won't last too long. Hello everybody. Yes, this is the Italian Tex Tater recipe that Barbie dedicated to me on her channel, and I just made it. Oh yes I did. And I am getting ready to take a bite. I'm not gonna let you see me eating it though, but you're gonna see me picking it up. Look at that on the fork. Got all this cheese and onions and red peppers and sausage and goodies and oh gosh, Jimmy can't wait to bite into this either. He didn't want to wait for me to make this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jimmy's gonna be in here eating this in a minute. See y'all later. And now I will say good night.